Good morning, beautiful people. How are you guys all doing?
Okay, just stop right here. This is me just explaining why I stay at home by myself because the day before I started to film myself, I got a sunburn because I didn't use the sun cream. The sun was also really hot, and my skin is not used to it with the hot temperature, and so that's why I really get really quickly a sunburn, and that's why the next day, the day that I'm recording this, I stay at home, and I'm just explaining here that what I'm doing while I'm staying at home. I was just saying that I'm watching some TV movies, and that's pretty much it. So this is me in the future saying you guys it I skipped this because it was too long explaining and my energy weren't that really good. So also the video that I'm trying to record in the future, which is also a half a year uh, past since I recorded myself, which I'm also sorry for that. So I'm trying my best now to make it as good as possible. So that's why I skipped all of that. I think it was at least a 5 minutes me explaining what I'm doing when I'm alone, and that's pretty much it. So let's end it here and start the new section of the video. So I hope you will at least enjoy the other part of the video. So this is me in the future and signing out. Ciao.
What's up, guys? This is my fifth day in vacation, and we are currently located in I don't know how you call it. I think it's Ruchica, or is it Rushica? I'm not really sure, but this is my first time being here. For the first time, I can say it's like a nice place. It's not anything special. It's just basically just rocks, and I mean it's okay, but I don't like the water. There's like nothing. It's not nothing living down there, because I'm like type of guy that likes to see a lot of living things underwater. But over here, as you saw, it's like only grass, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And don't know what else to say. So I didn't enjoy that much at here. So I don't know where tomorrow will be. I didn't film for 2 days because Like 2 days ago, I wanted to film, but I didn't film because I forgot the E2E or the case for this GoPro for underwater. So I couldn't film underwater. Well, I could film, but then my GoPro would be salty, and then I had to clean it. And I don't want to have any salt in the GoPro, inside of the GoPro, so that's why I didn't film. But for yesterday I didn't film because I was at home again. So basically I was like one day at the beach, then one day at home or at the apartment, and then again at home, and then at the beach. So yeah, we'll see what tomorrow will be, what will bring us. But today or tomorrow we're gonna get some friends. So yeah, it's gonna be a funny day, I guess. So if this is it, then I hope you enjoyed the video. If not, I guess put the dislike. And if anything happens, I will bring you guys with me. So I hope you guys enjoy, and see you soon. Ciao. And this is how, if you're alone and you don't have any friends, and you're just by yourself. Now we have just a little bit less light for today. It's a beautiful view out here. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. This is my second vlog, and if you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and if you want to, you don't have to, but subscribe, and yeah, I will see you soon. Macht gut.